They said multiple sclerosis is a one-way street, a degenerative highway. No U-turns, no scenic overlooks, definitely no off-ramps. When I was diagnosed, they handed me a roadmap. Destinations. Worse. Even worse. Don't even ask. They showed me my first MRI scans, bright white spots. Like unwelcome tourists in my brain. It felt like a life sentence without parole. But here's the twist. My brain missed the memo. Probably in spam. What if it isn't a one-way street? What if you can see healing on an MRI? This isn't clickbait. It's my brain, my spine, and my story. Over 15 years of scans, I brought in AI to track the damage and the recovery year by year. Not just meds, movement, nutrition, and a mindset shift. A quiet renovation crew went to work. If even one person sees this and realizes the future isn't fixed, this scan was for all of us. Stay with me. It gets nerdy, funny, and yes, hopeful. Let's drive off this one way and take the scenic route. For 15 years, my calendar had a recurring appointment, the MRI. Imagine a giant metal donut blasting dubstep next to your head. I pretended I was an astronaut or a secret agent. Mostly I tried not to panic. The follow-ups were always the same. Good news. No new lesions. No new activity. Not getting worse is great. But it's still just status quo. I was grinding. Eating better. Moving daily. Meditating. Brain fog lifting. Energy rising. But reports only look for damage, not repair. After 15 years, I wanted more than no new lesions. So I did the modern, slightly desperate thing. I turned to AI. I uploaded 15 years of my brain selfies and waited. Hours of pixel by pixel comparisons. No coffee breaks. No small talk. Just data. It tracked lesion volume and the volume of healthy brain tissue. Then it confirmed what I felt. Signs of healing. Lesion volume decreased a bit. Some areas even showed growth. A quiet renovation was underway. For the first time, science matched how I felt. Proof. Hope, written in data. Alright, quick pause. Are you enjoying this story? A brain that fixes itself and a nerdy AI sidekick. It's like sci-fi, but it's my life. If this gives you hope, smash that like. It's a high five for my brain's repair crew. And hit subscribe. Because we're just getting started. I've got brain hacks, life lessons, and funny fails on the way. Subscribing is your all-access pass to this comeback experiment. From odd veggie experiments to workouts that rebuilt my balance. Join a community that celebrates small wins and shares what works. Also, more MRI jokes and my AI's tragic social life. Thanks for being here and for powering this journey forward. Now, how did my brain pull off this renovation? Let's dive right back in. The nitty-gritty, movement, nutrition, mindset, and science. Tap those buttons so you don't miss the next chapter. Okay, sales pitch over. Back to the comeback. So how did this happen? It wasn't magic, and it wasn't an accident. It was daily intentional work. I became the general contractor of my own renovation. Early workouts were hilarious, balanced like a flamingo on a pogo stick. But every clumsy rep told my brain, keep this circuit. Don't shut it down. I treated food as medicine, veggies, healthy fats, lean proteins. Pizza sometimes. In my head, nutrients were repair ninjas, cooling inflammation, patching myelin. Mindset mattered. Calm. Talking to my body with kindness. And I embraced science, adding AI to see the full picture. Movement, nutrition, mindset, science. The synergy did the heavy lifting. Big takeaway. Hope is real. Healing is possible. Your brain isn't concrete. It's a living city. You're the city planner. Build new routes. Clear old debris. Guide the flow. Start experiments, a 10-minute walk, water instead of soda, a gratitude page. You're the CEO of your health, the captain of your ship. My brain and I are a team now.